Matthew Henry Show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to learn Unit 6 PQR. We almost finished Smart Phonics 1. You can finish it. You can do it. PQR. When I was young, the Q sounds was a little hard to me, but now it is easy. So now you can learn with me. Listen and repeat. Please repeat after me. P, panda. This is a panda. Panda is an animal. Some panda lives in a zoo. Panda begins with the P sound. Q sound is queen. Fourth sound begins with queen. Now queen is like a king. We learned king, right? Now we learned queen. Ring. This is a ring. Girls wear rings when they are married. Rings. They put it in this fourth finger. In guitar lesson, it is third finger. We don't use this. Panda begins with the P sound. Queen begins with the Q sound. Ring begins with the R sound. Trace. Now I will teach you how to write those letters. This is a capital P. Capital means big. First, we trace like this. And we write wrong C. Now, same, but we still need to write a little smaller. Easy peasy, right? Q. This is a capital Q. First, we draw a circle. Like an O. You learn to O. And draw a line a little bit. R. Trace a line like a number 1. And like this, write a P, and put a line on it. Yes, I write it differently. If we just do like this, it's all not complete. And it's hard to do like this, so I'm going to teach you write like this. It's more easy than you thought. Wait, I got to write a roller coaster right now. O. And you can do like this. Yes. And R. Okay, R. Left and right. With R. What do R begins with? Ring begins with R. Let's find a roller coaster. There it is. Let's write only one time. Capital R and a roller coaster. Number two is a queen. What do queen begins with? Queen begins with Q, right? Yes, just this Q and this Q. Just 2 Q. Do you know why I am asking myself and answer it? It's kind of a little funny, right? But it's important. If I ask myself an answer, some of you will think it's the same question what I am questioning by myself. That means if I ask questions, I will answer those questions. So you can be more easier during phonics. So I'm asking myself sometimes. This is a panda. What do panda begins with? Yes, panda begins with P sound. P. Wait, I wrote 2 times. Panda starts with P. P. I think this is a pen. Pen starts with P. Pen is like a pencil. This is a pen, but this is a color pen. We have real pen. This is a pen, but we cannot erase it. You know what this pen means? This is a pig. Wow, this pig looks cute. Pig. Pig is an animal. Yes, we eat pigs. If you write queen, yes, we can write like this, right? It's cool. But we need you there. Cool. That means this is a question. Like, example. How many colors is in this pen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why do we have 8 colors? Why do we have 8 colors in this color pen? Why do we have dot on this blue pencil? Why is this color blue? This is question. This is a question. Like, why can we not erase when we write with a pen? We need this. We cannot use period. I know we have period. This is called period. You're going to learn the Henry Show grammar. I've tried to teach all of the phonics I'm going to do. Reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar. On next level will be reading to me. I have to finish the Smart Phonics 5. The question is same. You write like this. I'm going to teach you why when we write. When we are learning Smart Phonics 3. In Smart Phonics 3, they are learning long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. I can teach this whatever I want to. Qu. Yes, we have Q sound, but we have little U sound. Qu. Do you hear this? Qu. So we use U there. Question. You can still hear U, right? U sound. Now, quiet. Yes, we can still not hear a U sound. We can hear a little bit. Yes, but we need to put U. That's the rule in phonics. R. This is ring. I told you that's ring. This is a rabbit. Rabbit eating carrot. Now, rabbit, a pink rabbit. This is a robot. Robot is like a machine. Finding color. The question starts with P. No, it didn't. Does panda starts with P? Yes. Does ring starts with P? No. Does the quiet starts with P? Yeah. No, the quiet starts with Q. Yes. Quiet. Does rabbit starts with Q? No. Does the pig begins with Q? No. Does a pen begins with R? No. Does queen begins with R? No. Does robot begins with R? Yes. Let's call her a robot. Listen and circle. I'm going to say the word of these. Example number 1. Robot. You don't need to care that it's capital and lowercase. Robot starts with R, so we need to circle R. I'm going to make it. I know we need to listen and see D, but I'm going to make it now. Now, number 2. Pig. Pig. What the pig begins with? Yes, pig begins with P. P. Number 3. Pen. Pen. What the pen begins with? Pen begins with P sound. P. P. Number 4. Ring. Ring. What do ring begins with? Ring begins with R. We need to circle R. Number 5. Quiet. Quiet. What do quiet begins with? Quiet begins with Q sound. Q. Number 6. Question. Question. What do question begins with? Question begins with Q sound. Q. Now let's turn to page. Let's look at the words first. B. I like my police, says the panda says I like my pen. The rabbit says I like my pen. The robot says I like my pen. Be quiet, please, says the queen. I like my ring. Now what's that? This is called quotation marks. When the character talks, we use quotation mark. Now the panda says, I like my pen. Yes, there. What character says? Like Henry says, let's learn phonics. That means we need to use quotation mark after this comma. If you use comma, you're there resting a little bit, but you have a period. I like my pen. Be quiet, please, says the queen. We rest only a little bit. So we use comma. And we need to use this. Let's learn phonics. After that, sometimes we use exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is saying a little loudly. And we need to do this. After we put the punctuation mark. Period, question, comma, and exclamation mark is called punctuation mark. Punctuation. Now, there are 2 ways to write quotation mark. First ways. Yes, be quiet, please, says the queen. First, we can write quotation mark first. Let's learn phonics. Because I think that's 3 ways. After we write that, we can just write roller case if you want to. That's Henry. Or we're not going to put it like this, exclamation mark or question mark. Let's learn phonics. We put comma and write another quotation mark and write said Henry. That said is a past tense. I already said that, so we need to use said. This is a grammar rule. We always have a new grammar in all the units, I think. Oh, this is writing. That you can be more good at writing. Writing is really important. Reading and writing is the most important. So I think they're back. Now we're going to write 5 times there. And you can write only 3 times there. P. Capital P and lowercase p. 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 You need to write neatly. That's writing. P. 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 Q. 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 Qu. 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 Q. 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 Qu. 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 R. 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 Now next time we are going to learn Unit 7 STUV. Now we are going to learn. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Henry's Show. Bye!